Okay friends, it's time to get started on replacing our key fob. To start this process, make sure all of your doors are shut and your driver's side seatbelt is latched. Now whenever you're doing something like this, you're going to have to program your new key fob to the vehicle that you want it to function with. Now to program this, we're going to make our way right over to the ignition. We're going to take the key and go from the off position to the run position 8 times, ending in the run position. What you'll find is the door locks will actuate. That's going to tell you you're in the programming mode. Now at this point, I heard the door locks cycle. That's a good sound. Now it's time to start programming your key fob. Now whichever key fob you're planning on using as the primary, program that first. The way you would do that is just press any button on the fob. When you hear the door lock cycle, that means that this key fob is now programmed. Continue programming your second key fob, assuming you have one. After that, go ahead and put the key in the off position. Now at this point, the vehicle should be programmed. Go ahead and test your key fob. As you can tell, it works perfectly. Thanks for watching.